I guess I kind of need to be doing the 2060 Fox intro instrumental type solo song. Hey guys, this is Will. I'm on to like a little quick review of my Planet Apes collection. Originally, really, I guess I was kind of, show you guys what was going on in the, in the beginning. I had really got these. I was really looking for a few my statues in my storage locker, and I wanted to do a review on a few, even though I still have quite a few here at home to get around to though. But it was just someone. I kind of want to jump to some of the ones that I had in storage that I couldn't really display because I'm out of space. And as I was looking for that, I ran across these. And actually, I've been meaning to do these before because I'm on SIDESHOW Freaks, and I'm on, how some of you guys, y'all know when you're on SIDESHOW Freaks, it's like certain clubs. So I'm also on the Planet Apes Club. And what happened, I'm on the Planet Apes Club, and I don't have anything on it showing that I belong to the club, or I should be in the club. So maybe that's I guess I think it's that. So I have things on there that has totally nothing to do with Planet Apes. So I had to erase that and put me some Planet Apes stuff on it. So I went and got these out of storage. To take some pictures of them and to post up on my SIDESHOW Planet Apes page. But to give you a little more about them, these are the action figures from Medicom toy, and they are absolutely definitely fits the name, ultra detailed figures. They bear striking resemblance to all the cast members of Planet Apes, which I do love. It actually is one of kind of like the early first sci-fis that I've seen when I was younger in grammar school. Actually, I seen it actually at the movie theater. We have a movie theater here. It's called a 3 Penny. It shows like like old movies back in the day. There to kind of give you an idea of how the movies look when they came out originally at the show back in those in those times. So that's originally where I seen it at. They sort of done it every weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Which is a real cool thing. That's originally when I seen it back when I was in grammar school. And so I sort of kind of grew up loving the old Planet Apes, all the 5 movies, the cartoon, the TV series, so I kind of did like a little little history thing on it, and sort of found it. I also have the spaceship, the Kairos. It's a model, more like a garage kit, and I have 2 of them. One of them is more so like the crash site, has like the ship, it's like about maybe a foot long, 12 inches. And I also have one that has the splashdown scene when it had the ship that was sticking out of the water. So it's more like a diorama type scene, which also looks cool. So I'll probably maybe get around to doing a review of that one soon. I bought these like in 2000, and actually it was like 19 figures altogether. It was in a 2 series set. So originally I was just really going to get a few of them, like like the main characters, like Taylor, Zero, Cornelius, and I was just going to kind of move on from there. But then later on, I kind of thought about it when I was getting it, and I just said, well, I'm a big Planet Apes fan anyway. I said I'll just get all of them. So at the time I had a lot of friends that owned comic book stores, so I got them for a pretty decent deal. I paid like about maybe $10 back then for each figure, which I seen at a few stores around that time. They had ranged anywhere from 17 to almost 20 bucks then. Actually, I have the SIDESHOW ones too. Like I think they're 12-inch figures. I'm not really happy with those. I feel the likeness on a lot of them, needed, really, work. I figured they could have did a better job. The the tailor looks sort of similar to Charlton Heston, but not exactly. And don't get me started with the Brent, the James Franciscus one. You know, I don't know who that was, but actually through the grapevine, I've heard that his family owned his likeness, and I guess anyone that does any Planet Apes stuff, they would probably have to pay his estate to use his face. So I'm not sure if that's the real deal, but that's really what I have heard. The reason why the SIDESHOW Brent figure doesn't look like James Franciscus. So that's what I, from what I, have heard by talking with guys who's really into the action figure and companies. So I think that was really the deal, and it makes a lot more sense too, because I'm sort of seeing that now a lot anyway. With Bruce Lee, his wife owned a lot of his estate and his likeness, and Steve McQueen, his kids. So it's sort of like the end thing that's kind of going on now. But anyway, guys, this is my Planet Apes Medicom action figure set. 19 altogether. It was 2 chase figures. The only one I remember that was probably a chase was I think it was a Caesar figure and an Ape soldier figure. I think those were the 2 chase ones. Matter of fact, let me show it to you right quick. I think it was this one and this one. Okay. I kind of thought that maybe it may have been the greatest ape too, though, but I don't think so. I get a lot of guys that told me they thought it was that, but I don't think it was actually this one, the Lawgiver. Okay, guys. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to kind of make a quick video of this. I'll probably be putting some more Planet Ape stuff out somewhere down the road. I even have stuff actually from the movie that's actually statue, polystone type stuff. That suck-ass movie that they had that I didn't like. But anyway, hey, I hope you all guys here like it, and I'll be talking and sharing more with you later on down the road. Okay, peace.